Emmanuel Katibu.
Emmanuel.
Kotini uliweza kuiba simu moja aina ya Tecno Spark 7 ikiwa na dhamana ya shilingi 600 na t-shirt moja ikiwa na dhamana ya shilingi 500 na bag ambayo iko na dhamana
Ungependa kusema nini?
Kusema nitarudi siku gani?
Robert Bondi Mugal, you're charged with the offense of cheating contrary to section 315 of the Penal Code. Particulars being on diverse dates between 20th March 2025 and 21st March 2025 at unknown place within the Republic by means of fraudulently induced Brandon Joroge Nganga to pay a sum of 4.1 million by falsely pretending that you can sell him a motor vehicle registration KDS 724T, make Mercedes Benz E350 that is red in color. True or not true?
False.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Oh, sorry, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Mosota, who is on record for the accused person. Yes. So we do have a charge sheet and we also have a letter that I happen to have received. I have actually bumped into this letter from the Office of the Deputy Director of Public Prosecution, dated 4th of July.
Your Honor, if you really allow me, I just wish to object to that line of the letter is not addressed to counsel. This is internal communication. It cannot be produced as evidence. Charges have been brought and read out to the accused person. If counsel wishes to argue bond and stuff, we have no problem with that. But internal communication, that is all that is supposed to be for court. In terms of bond, we have no objections to bond.
Commanding police station, and attention has been drawn to the investigating officer.
Let me just hear. So what about it?
The contents of the letter, Your Honor, are to the effect that the ODPP, having perused the file, is not yet satisfied that investigations have concluded, for reasons that there are various aspects that ought to have been addressed, and the signatory of the letter, who is Ms. Nancy Kerubo, is directing the investigating officer to cover areas that she has highlighted to ensure that the statement of the suspect has been recorded and various documents have to be obtained before a formal charge can be pressed. This letter is dated 4th of July 2025, and the charge sheet is also dated 4th of July. Why I'm intrigued by the speed at which these investigations purport to have concluded, and I'm yet to see the documents that the IO has been directed to obtain being the certified M-Pesa statement from Safaricom, statements from NCBA Bank, and other documents in relation to the company. Unless, Your Honor, I'm furnished with those documents in proof that these investigations have now concluded within the period which the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution have actually done this letter, and by the time the charge sheet has been drafted and approved, then Your Honor will be inclined to say that these proceedings today may not be recorded. We defer plea taking.
Sorry to take it.
It is also recorded, you're recording.
Proceed.
Your Honor, I had to put that in record, albeit that he has already taken plea, but it should be taken note of the same. In the event that the plea has to be recorded, Your Honor, or in the event that you have already recorded it, then we'll be praying that my client be admitted to reasonable bail and bond, which is his constitutionally guaranteed rights. My client availed himself to the police station yesterday. In cooperating with the authorities, he is a law-abiding citizen. His place of business and aboard are well known. The contractual negotiations and obligations. I believe that these are matters that also form basis of civil proceedings, and they can be negotiated out of court. My client may have to settle this matter with the complainant. I pray that he be admitted to fair bond or bail terms. And I'm also informed that yesterday at the police in commensurate terms. I so submit.
The bond, the charge sheet says that he is in custody, he's not in bond.
Any comments about the negotiations?
No, we encourage it here if they are able to settle it.
given that the charge is already before the court, the issues as to whether it was right for it to be here at this point in time, or were not sufficient, are issues which will come up during pre-trial once we know what is before the court, or maybe during the hearing of the matter, so that we know whether the accused has a case to answer or not. Those are things that will come up later, or if there was official documentation maybe presented to the court. But at the moment, that is internal communication that you have there that also don't even have an opportunity to look at it. So, and the accused person had already taken plea. Yes. So we will mention, the matter will be mentioned on the 21st. On the 21st of July for purposes of pre-trial. This will be at court number 5. In view of the nature of the offense, bond will be for Kenya shillings 2 million with 1 surety. If you elect to pay cash bail will be for 1 million with 1 contact person. The accused person is also to deposit his passport with the court.
Tamam.